prancing, hand first, rich taste on a budget. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIE RASHON. So for today's video, I'm doing something a little bit different. We'll be showcasing some jewelry pieces that were sent to me by Jeulia.com. With that being said, this will kick off my 5K Wig Bae Giveaway. So make sure you guys watch the entire video. So make sure you get all the facts and tea on this giveaway. Before we get into all this, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, hold on, because I'm thirsty. You know, the holiday season is here. You know, the season for giving and being thankful. So what better way to give back than to partner up with one of my new favorite jewelry companies, which is Jeulia.com. They are a premium artisan jewelry company. You guys saw that I featured this necklace right here in one of my Get Ready With Me's, and it's one of my favorite pieces of jewelry to wear outside of my wedding ring every single day. I even go to sleep with this necklace on. Like, I love this necklace. It's so understated, but makes a statement. So they sent me over 2 pieces of jewelry. The first one is one that I'm keeping for myself. Okay, I picked it for myself, but I wanted to show you guys it, so in case you wanted to get it for you, you can do that. So this is what the packaging looks like when you get it. Depending on what you get, the packaging size will be a little bit different. And then when you open it, you get an info card as well as a booklet featuring some of their jewelry pieces that they have in their collections. You can't really see that, but you know, there it is. So they have necklaces, bracelets, rings, wedding bands, men's jewelry, women's jewelry, custom jewelry. Basically anything that you can think of from a jewelry store you can find on this site at a reasonable price. So I will be going back, give me some more goodies, because you know the holiday season is coming up. Okay, cha-ching, savings. Okay, savings. You also get a goodie bag, so if you plan on gifting this to anyone, you can put it in a bag, and then you get the actual piece of jewelry which comes in the box. This is what the box looks like when you open it. Very, very plush and pretty. Has like a little velvet black, very, very clean cut. Has the silver Jeulia emblem in there, and that is it. Very simple and sleek. So the first piece of jewelry that they did send me that I picked out myself is a sapphire ring. Now I am born in September, so my birthstone is sapphire. 3.2 Jeulia stone, blue sapphire oval stone here in the middle. It also comes with a gorgeous setting. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that setting is to die for. I love me a good setting on a ring to give it some height. Like, y'all, that is stunning. But that's not it. That's not it though. Watch what happens next. You can also pull out the ring in the center to give you a little band. So that's what that looks like. Do y'all see that? Has like a filigree type of look in the middle. Super, super pretty. So let me show you guys what that looks like by itself. So by itself, that is what that looks like. Okay, you trying to impress someone? Hello. This ring right here was $149 for this. Okay, for this. I want to floss on a budget. I want to stunt, prancing, hand first. A rich taste on a budget. Hello, that's me. So me and Jeulia decided to partner up and to give one loyal babe a gorgeous stone to kind of commemorate our relationship. Okay, I show love to y'all, y'all show love to me. You know, it's a two-way street here. So with that being said, bam. Okay, bam. There we go. So one loyal babe will be getting the Halo Heart Cut Sterling Silver Ring from Jeulia's. This is what that looks like in the packaging. Y'all, it doesn't know justice. It doesn't know justice. Let me go ahead and take it out real quick. Let me just go ahead and try it on for a second. I'm gonna just try it on. But this is what that looks like. This tag is still on it. This is what that ring looks like up close. Do you see what I'm saying? Huh? Do you see the setting of this ring? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. This ring will make you happy. It'll just make you smile when you look at it. I'm smiling now. It's not even mine. I'm smiling for you. Rich taste on a budget. Y'all, when I say they have a price point for everyone, they have something on their site for every single person. Now, I do have a code for them. It will be linked down below. With that code, I will earn a small commission if you decide to use it. If you don't want to use it, you want to pay full price, your business, okay? Your business. But if you want to save some money, there you go. So the rules of the giveaway is open to US residents only. All you need to do is be subscribed to my channel on YouTube. Make sure your page is not private so that I can see that you do follow me, because if I can't see you, you don't follow me. That's how I see it, okay? And then just comment down below, I want this ring. That is all, okay? That is all. I'm in love with this jewelry. My necklace will be linked down below as well, so you guys want to check this out, you can. I'll also put the direct link down for my ring, plus the Halo Cut Heart ring, and the direct link to the site, so if you guys want to check any of that out, you can. Thank you for helping me reach 5K. It is super appreciated, and the least I can do is give back to you guys. The giveaway will be open all week. It will close on Sunday at midnight Eastern Standard Time, so make sure you get your entries in now. But that's all I got for you guys today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Share with your friends. Share it on Facebook, share it on Instagram. Let people know I'm doing a giveaway so they maybe can win some stuff. Money can be tight for anyone, okay? Money's tight for me when I don't want to spend nothing, okay? So if all I need to do is click a button and type some little words on a keyboard, possibly win some stuff, I'm gonna do it. What do I have to lose? Nothing. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you have the notification bell set so you don't miss any of the videos coming up in the future. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.